Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another Vlogmas episode. I'm Kay. This is Chaos with Kay. Life's a little chaotic, but I'm getting it together, and we're gonna have some fun while we do it. On today's vlog, this is just gonna be another day in the life, preparing for Christmas, preparing for the week. It's currently Saturday, and I need to get to the grocery store and prepare for the week, like I said. So I came up with our meals for the week. I got my little shopping list here. I do have a budget of $200. I want to see if I can stick to that because, like I said, we're on a budget. So $200 is our budget for not even a full week, I'll be honest. But the kids are home from school. It's Christmas break. So they got their at-home stomachs on. So I need to prepare for that. And then I need to prepare for Christmas. Not necessarily dinner, but I guess the things that I'm bringing to the Christmas dinner, which is a ham. And then I want to make a breakfast, like a Christmas morning casserole. And so I got to get that stuff as well. And then I am trying to get back into my healthy habits. I'm slowly transitioning back into keto. So I have some things that I need to meal prep as well so that I can be prepared for the week again. For myself, I know that I'm meal prepping. I'm going to do some breakfast bowls. And then for my lunches, I'm going to do some taco soup. The soup is not necessarily keto, but like I said, I'm transitioning back into it. So low carb, keto. We're gonna get there eventually. And then but the dinners that I have prepared for the week, I'm gonna make those keto friendly. I'm just gonna really substitute the carb for some cauliflower rice, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'll explain more like once we get in the store and I'm starting to pick things up. I might see if I can find like a cute Christmas sweater because we are going bowling later. And we were gonna host a Christmas party. So remember, I don't know if a few vlogs back, when I was sitting down doing my calendar, I did put litmus on the calendar for today, which is December 20th, but we had to cancel. So it was just, timing was not good. People already had plans. So, and then we have some things going on at our house. So it just wasn't a good time. So litmus was canceled, but we're gonna still try to go bowling, and I still want to like be festive, if that makes sense. So we'll see what I can find. And then yeah, I got my little iced coffee because I'm not stopping at 7 Brew. I'm not doing it today, y'all. I'm not because we already got our coffee here. So yeah. 7 Brew who? Okay. Sam's Club is jumping. They ain't even got no carts. Gotta walk all the way back here. So I'm getting one of these for Alex meal prep. It has this one has 5 in it, so that should be good. That's 12. That's 12.66. That one's like 11. But why do these look bigger than this? 11.73. We're gonna go with that one. These look good, so we're gonna try these as a snack for the kids this week. Honey, Sam's Club is jumping like it's the club on a Friday night, and ladies get in free. Granted, I should have known because it is Christmas and it's like the last weekend before Christmas, so everybody getting all their stuff. But honey, I was not prepared. I didn't even lollygag around this time like I normally do. I got what I needed to get and I got on out of there. Thank God for Scan and Go. So now we can head to Walmart, which I'm pretty sure it's going to be just as packed. So let's get this over with. We out of Walmart. Did I stay on budget? Just a little bit, but I also got another Christmas present. even though I said I was done. So, and I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna put this in the car. I'm probably gonna have to put that in the front seat because it's pretty big. So, let's see. Oh. All right, Walmart is done. And now, your girl, I'm not tired, but navigating the grocery store. Oh, I forgot something, y'all. I didn't get diapers. I'm gonna have to go back in. What the freak? I forgot the most important thing. You need diapers. Can I find a closer parking spot? Because I definitely parked back in Timbuktu. But the way it's so packed in here, I don't want to chance it. I had to take that sweater off after I had to hike 2 miles back to Walmart and then back to my car. So I needed me a little snack after that. So I got one of those. I showed y'all these in Sam's that we were going to try out. I don't recommend it. I'm be real honest. They're very thick. So it's like, it's not bad, but it's not the best either. Not a lot of sugar in it. So it's 160 calories, which I don't really care about calories, but I was looking for something that's not like so sugary, and it's definitely not. So we'll see. We'll see if these kids will eat them. It's not bad. Will I buy them again? No. So I'll give it a 5 out of 10. It's edible. Okay, y'all, it's much later now, and I'm about to get ready to go bowling. I did find me a cute little sweater at Walmart. It actually was on sale for $7, and I'm sure it's because Christmas is around the corner. They need to get rid of this stuff, so they came in very clutch. So I'm gonna do a quick little makeup look. Y'all know I don't do too much, not too long. It's gonna take me about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna put my sweater on. I need to figure out what I really want to do with my hair, so that may be the hardest task, is figuring out my hair. If I get too frustrated, it's gonna be a ponytail. So so let's figure that out. Let's go. Give me what you give me. 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 What you got? Okay, y'all, should I do a bow, or is that kind of childish? See Pookie with his ugly sweater on.
Check me out. Festive, you know. If I had me a little drinky drink, I'll put it in my pocket.
Oh my gosh. Okay, get me.
Why do girls do that?
I don't know. Just give you a full view of it. Ooh. Cute. It's a video. Whoa. Okay, y'all, it's the next day, obviously, and I really wanted to end this vlog, but I'm gonna show y'all quickly what I'm really doing. I'm trying to get the food prep this week that we went to the grocery store and got everything for. So right now I'm making the ground turkey to put in my taco soup, and then after that I'm gonna get dinner together, which is gonna be like the meatballs, the mashed potatoes, and the green beans. And then after that I'm gonna prep my breakfast bowl. So I'll show y'all a quick little thing of that, and then we'll end this vlog here, and then we'll pick up during our Christmas week. Yes, sir. Yeah.
I wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel on Christmas Day. Every
there we have it. That is the end of the vlog. As you can see, I already cooked dinner. I meal prep for tomorrow, this week. I only have 2 work days, so I just did like 2 breakfast bowls because I'll be off for Christmas Eve and Christmas, and so you know, all of that jazz. So yeah, if you made it this far, I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe because we're still on our journey to 1K subscribers. So yeah, join the family, because at this point we're friends. Because if you've watched this whole video, you should go watch other videos and just like subscribe, right? At this point, right? Okay. All right. So as always, I appreciate the support, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye.